Hi, I want to show you how to take a soft contact lens off somebody else's eye. I'll show you the tips and tricks that us optometrists use. Now, this is for a soft lens removal. Taking off a rigid contact lens or ortho-K is different, but this is taking a soft lens off. So firstly, wash your hands. It's really important to wash your hands with soap and water. Don't use hand sanitizer when you're going to touch contact lenses because we don't want any of that residue on the contact lens or ending up on somebody's eyelid or eye. So we've got clean hands. Now we're going to ask the person whose contact lens we're taking off to tip their head all the way back, and we're going to ask them to look up and away from you. When they're looking up and away from you, they're less aware of what's happening, and looking up helps to lift the top eyelid up. We're going to gently hold the top eyelid. I'm holding it with my left thumb. I'm right-handed, so I'll be using my right thumb and index finger to take the contact lens off. So looking up and away, hold the top eyelid. With the middle finger of your right hand, hold the bottom eyelid. We're just touching the edge of the contact lens, which is just at the edge of the color part of the eye. Put a little bit of pressure on and slide down. Bring your thumb in. This is a good thing to happen because this frequently will happen, particularly if it's a family member and they're saying, "Get it off," and you're going, "Open your eye," and it's getting tense. So that's a good thing to happen for you to see, that it happens even to us professionals. So lift the top eyelid up, get them to look up and away, slide the contact lens over, bring your thumb in and pinch it off. Okay, so we've taken the contact lens off now. When we slide it onto the white of the eye, it's flatter, so it's easier to take off. And if this is a reusable soft contact lens, we clean it and store it. If it's a daily disposable, we throw it away. Hopefully that helps you.